Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today, we review everyday objects and what questions by writing actively.
Great. I want to write simple English sentences.
First, listen and write helps you hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second, make a sentence helps you create your own short sentences with useful words.
I have my notebook and pen ready.
Excellent. Let us begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation activity. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay. I will listen carefully.
Listen to the whole text means you first hear the complete text to understand the idea. Write what you hear means you write the words during the dictation. Check and correct means you compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes.
I will not write yet. Only listen first.
Good. Relax and listen to the full dictation now. My bag is on the chair. In my bag, I have a book, a pen, and a notebook. What is on the table? It is my phone and my key. What do I write in the notebook? I write my name and one short question. Now I will read slowly, part by part. Nexo, are you ready to write?
Yes. I am ready.
Great. Write what you hear. My bag is on the chair. In my bag. I have a book. A pen. And a notebook. What is on the table? It is my phone and my key. What do I write in the notebook? I write my name. and one short question. Great work, everyone. Nexo, how did it go?
It was good, but I need to check some words.
Now, compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use what questions when they fit.
I can make short sentences with objects.
See an example means we will listen to Nexo do the exercise first. Make your sentences means you create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Nexo, are you ready to try the examples?
Yes, I am ready to write. Book. What is this book? Pen. What do you write with this pen? Notebook. My notebook is on the table. Phone. What is on my phone? What is this key for? Chair. The chair is near the door.
Nice work, Nexo.
The examples help me start.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You finished the writing practice. You reviewed everyday objects and what questions by writing your own English. See you in the next lesson.